got Mulliner, Bentley Mulliner 2022. The car came, to be fair, pretty good condition. Just what we need to do, definitely Grille need to be done in terms of polishing. In terms of paint, there's a couple of parts around the car what need to be done. Two-stage polishing in terms of the scratches, but mainly what we're going to do with this car, make it saloon condition and absolutely look like brand new and showroom condition, refine the paint. So what we're going to do, completely panel by panel refine the paint and then ceramic coating for 4 to 5 years. There's certain defects on a mirror, side mirror, a little bit of the defects on a bonnet. So those panels need to be done, definitely two-stage polishing, okay? In terms of the carbon, every single inch will be polished, especially with the glass, because sometimes we do have dirt inside, and when windows go up and down, the dust scratch the glass, so we're going to polish that and preserve it with ceramic coating. And like I said, the grille needs to be done, and after that will look like absolutely stunning, this car. Especially the alloys need to be done with ceramic coating, so it's easy to maintain this car. Okay, let me show you inside. So let me show you the couple of things what need to be done in terms of interior. So inside, the gentlemen wear the jeans, so we got this blue paint from jeans. So we be super gently to take only the jeans color off and preserve it and protect it, obviously. The carpets need to be done with the steam, and everything else need to be polished by hand. It's absolutely stunning interior, as you can tell. Got multiple options here. There you go. So looking forward to do this and see you after. Guys, what I'm gonna do with this front grille of Bentley, we did decontamination outside, but it's still dirty inside. It's kind of sticky dirt because haven't been done anything, I would say, 3 years. So we use those beautiful cones. We can get inside. They're extremely soft, but they would definitely do the job in terms of liquid clay bar. And we clean them, all these edges, everything, and after we do polishing again those edges, and after that ceramic coating. So we got the brand new microfabric tower, absolutely soft brush, leather cleaner, give a couple of squeaks, and we start really gentle process to take this jeans color off completely from the leather. So we start very gentle. And what we're doing here, we need to lift that. So we do a couple more squeaks on a tower, and then gently move this. As you see, in certain parts it's still there. So what we're going to do, we use steamer and gently lift this. Steamer head microfiber tower, because it's extremely sensitive leather too, and we do it through the microfiber tower. So we finished this gorgeous project with the Mulliner. Absolutely pleasure last 3 days working on this vehicle, and what can I say? We definitely deliver in terms of the gloss with the refining the paint, because I can tell already been done something in terms of polishing, but what we did here, we refined the paint multiple times when on the panels in terms of the polishing, and ceramic coating did done the work. As you can tell, it's looking absolutely stunning now, shiny, glossy, and I'm sure the client will be happy. Guys, thank you very much. See you with the next one. Thank you.